Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We're here to solve this Palindrome Sudoku by Japanese author Minako Sakai. This puzzle was featured in the latest Sudoku Grand Prix round, and it's a palindrome, which means that along this huge line, digits read the same in both directions, which means that those are identical digits, those are also clones, and I will use some colors to see, well, to just denote which are clones from which. So there are a lot of identical, well, the line is very long, so I will hope I have enough different colors. So this, oh, what have I done? I'm sorry about that. This is blue, orange goes here, green goes there. Oh, I'm a little on the clumsy side of things, but that's not unusual at all. All right, so what do we see? We see that those here, or those three here, should be quite constrained. Those two are different from 9, 8, 7, from 3, 2, and 6, so they are from 1, 4, 5. This here is also different from 2, 3, and 6, and because of this, it's also different from 7, 9, and 8, so this is also from 1, 4, 5. So here we have a triple. So now this digit is different from all 5 digits here, and from 2, and from 3, and from 7. So it has to be a 6. This 3 here goes there, and those are 2 and 7 to complete the row. This 8 on this row goes here, and those are from 2, 7, and 9. I will pencil mark this. So that's not a 2, that's not a 9. Well, let's hope it's useful at some point. Let's have a look at this. It's different from 3, 4, 6, 8, 7. So what can, and 9. So I think it can only be a 1 or a 2. Let's just double check. No, it could be a 5. Let's not forget anything. I think that's correct. Let's have a look at those. Those must be different from 3, 4, 8, 6, 7. So they are from 1, 2, 5, 9, but they can't be 5. So they must be from 1, 2, 9. But this here is not a 9. Oh, and actually they can't be a 2 either. So those are 1s and those are 9s. So there's no 1 in here, and because there's a 4, 5 pair, oranges are 2 and greens are 1s. And we get a 4, 5 pair in this column, so that those are 6, 7, 8. But this is not 6, this is not 8. Right, and here we get a 3, 8 pair, but there's a 3 here, so that's a 3, and those here are 8s. I'm saying that this disambiguates the 7, 2 pair. And the palindrome part is almost over, except that we have to address this digit, which can only be a 4, because it sees those 4 digits, this digit, and it can't be 5 or 6, and it can't be 8, so it has to be a 4. Now those are from 5, 6, and 7, so this is 6 or 7. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, that's a 4, and this is 5 or 6. I need an 8 somewhere on this row, so 8 goes here. And this is from 5 and 6, and this is the same digit as this. So now we're left with, well, plain standard Sudoku, I think. So let's move on. This column still needs 5, 6, and 9. 5, 6, and 7, sorry. So this is 5 or 6, and here we need 1 and 9. So 5, 6, and 7, so this is from 5 and 7. That's correct. Oh, this 6 here makes this a 7, actually. And here we're left with 2, 3, and 9. So that's not 2, that's not 9. That's not 2, by the way, because of this. So the 2 on this row is here. Where else can we look? 9 must be somewhere in the column, so it's here. And it puts the 3 here, the 2, and the 9. All right. What next? I need a 3 somewhere here, so that's here. And this 8 now goes here. That's not 8. This can't be this 7, so that's a 6 and a 7 and a 6. On this row, I need a 1 and a 5, but there's a 5 here, so that's 1. And this one has, let's place the 5. Well, this just disambiguates a lot of stuff. A real lot, a huge lot of stuff. Here I need 1 and 7. Those are not disambiguated yet. Nor is the 4-5 pair, actually. Here I need 2 and 3. There's a 3 here. Here I need 4 and 6. With this 6. Now with those 6s and this one, I place a 6 here. Here I need 1, 4, and 3. 1, 3 here. So that's the 4. That's the 1. That's the 3. 4, 5, and 7 in here, I think. There's a 4. Oh, this 4 disambiguates the rest of the palindrome. All right. 2 and 8 here, there's a 2 there. And here, 7 and 5, there's a 5. And here, 7 and 8. So that's 1, that's 7, and that's 1, and that's 4. And that's it. So nice Palindrome Sudoku. I think 46 points was fairly generous. Well, it takes some time to resolve fully, obviously, but this is not very difficult by the usual 40 plus points standard in Grand Prix, I would say. But I'm fine with earning 46 points with this puzzle during the contest. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon on SudoKanard.